Hey, Danny here from vx411.com. Today I will show you a little video of a 2007 Infiniti G35. It's a 3.5 engine, and this car has no trouble codes. It has a check engine light. It communicates with the ECU, so it has no trouble codes. But I'm cranking the car. We have no spark and no injector pulse. We checked everything. We checked the cam sensor, crank sensor, airflow sensors, everything, you name it. We even checked the security on this car. And that's the key light would go off. All the lights would go off. The security would be fine. And no codes. Car did not start. We read up online. People would suggest check the timing and all that. That this thing has a chain. We even cranked it over. The valves are moving when you remove the oil cap. So everything is fine. The car don't start. The issue on this thing is a bad engine computer. That's it. We put in a new engine computer. We programmed the security, because when you put the new engine computer, it would be exact same symptoms. No codes. Actually, it would throw you a NATS code, but the car will not give you spark or injector. Since I put a new computer in, programmed the key to it, and the car starts right up. So if you do come across this Nissan Infiniti issue that the car communicates to the engine computer, no NATS codes, security is fine, but it sounds like it is a security issue because no spark and no injector pulse. Don't waste time on checking the timing and all that stuff. Just start with the ECU. So here you have it. Engine control module is bad. No codes, no injector pulse, and no spark. Thanks for watching.